Don't know this about me. I am a huge knife guy. My buddy let me borrow his Alpha Beast. I do daily a knife, but the problem is I don't have a latch here, so it sometimes opens in my pocket, and that's not a good idea. So I'm gonna make a latch. Here are the blueprints. Got my silver. I gotta roll it out to the right dimensions. Yeah, that's what I want. Alright. Got it marked out. It's coming together. Trying to figure out what kind of design I want at the end. Pretty tight seam. Now we solder. It broke. I straightened it out. It's too big anyways. I'm gonna make it smaller. Alright, it's smaller. I'm gonna try it again. Better, but still too big. Obviously, I did not math correctly. I was educated in America, right? Still too big. Much more better. Pretty happy with that. Alrighty, so it's soldered and ready to be. Ike. He is getting there. Part of me says, this is functional, you're done. The other part of me says, this is not the quality of art I want to produce and put out into the world. By the way, I got this knife from iMod Knives, from Josh. Basically, my buddy's Grail knife. Don't expect to drop it, so I'm going to... Yeah, I'm building this latch for him. I'm going to put a tanzanite in the end of that. I might engrave the sides. Alright, I like how that looks. Looks pretty straight to me. Sadly, I did not finish this over the weekend, so now I got backed up by other jobs. I am not gonna film me setting every single stone. Alright, they're in there. Now we gotta tighten them bad boys. Alrighty, they're nice and set. Now I engrave the sides. Okay, I'm happy with that. However, once it's in, it kind of covers it. So I'm going to fill it up with the laser and re-engrave it. I'll see you guys back in a minute. Alright, I just sanded it. Now I got to repolish. Try and engrave it again. I was going to engrave this with some leaves, but those are not up to par in my opinion. So I'm just going to slap this together. On second thought, it doesn't look too bad. Shut up! Shut up! Alright, now you see me put it together. I don't like that. I want it bigger. Alright, that's looking a little better. Laser that bad boy. Now I sand and polish. Done.